Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy broth. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on bones and vegetable scraps. This simple process transforms kitchen leftovers into a flavorful base for soups and sauces. It's a fantastic way to reduce waste and enhance your cooking with minimal effort. You'll be surprised how much flavor you can extract from everyday items. For a rich broth, start with about 2 pounds of bones, like chicken carcasses or beef marrow bones. Don't forget your vegetable scraps. Onion skins, carrot ends, and celery stalks are perfect. A few sprigs of fresh parsley, a bay leaf, and 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns will elevate the flavor profile significantly. These simple additions make a big difference. Combine all your bones, vegetables, and herbs in a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring it's about 1 inch above the solids. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook slowly for a minimum of 2 hours, or even longer for a deeper flavor. Skim off any foam that rises to the surface during the first hour. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth. Discard the solids. Allow the broth to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or you can freeze it for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.